Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have come up with another useful tips to you. Yes, in this video we are going to show you how to delete your Telegram account permanently. Well, most of us started to use Telegram after the WhatsApp privacy issue. But many of us not familiar with Telegram features. So we are going to show a feature that you all need. Do you know how to delete your Telegram account permanently? Actually, the answer is no. Yes, you can't delete your Telegram account in your mobile device. So then how can we delete it? You have to use Web Telegram to delete your account. But keep in mind, Telegram has a feature that if you are not access to your Telegram account for 6 months, it will automatically delete your account. Before you start this process, you should know that there's no turning back after you delete your Telegram account. When you delete your Telegram account, you lose all your chat messages, secret chats, groups, channels, media, and more. Before you begin this process, we suggest you save all your important media and messages. Let's start the process. First, you should keep your mobile device which has installed Telegram. Because in this deletion process you have to enter a confirmation code, which comes in your mobile. We have provided the link to enter deletion process. Click on the link in description. You will see the same window like this. Enter your Telegram mobile number and you will get a confirmation code. You will see the confirmation code inside your Telegram app and type the code here and sign in. After you authorize, you will see the following 3 options as same. Click on Delete Account. The Telegram website will ask you whether you're sure you want to delete your account. You can provide a reason for leaving if you want. Else click the Delete My Account button to continue. Double check and click Delete your Telegram account. Don't forget, after this you won't be able to sign up again for 2-3 days, but you can sign up after these days. Click the Yes, Delete My Account button to confirm. That's it. You have successfully deleted your Telegram account. I hope this will help you. And we will back again with another video which help you. Stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on thumbs up. As usual, please give your comment below.